Assalamu alaikum. Today we will announce the winner from Amtur Gold and Diamonds. So please, Miss Dima is here. She will receive this gift from Amtur Gold and Diamonds. S26.
Okay.
Yeah, Samsung S26. We have announced Samsung S25, but you are receiving here Samsung S26.
Okay.
Congratulations, and this is your gift.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I have some question for you. How does it feel when this brand new phone?
Happy. I'm happy.
Okay.
First of all, I want to thank Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone.
Walaikum salam.
I want to thank first of all to the owner of Amtur Gold,
Yeah.
especially to the staff, all the staff, and for you also. Thank you for your team for today. So this is my amazing day today.
Okay.
So this is grateful for me. I can win in this good experience because this is my first time to
Okay.
join to be a winner in the online.
First time.
Yeah, this is first time.
So how you get that post and you comment there?
Actually, when the other brands in Mabila,
Okay.
I was there when they are opening.
Okay.
So I already following them the first maybe 6 months ago.
Okay.
So already I'm following their post every day. So when I saw, I didn't expect that I can win. I just greeting to the owner and staff because I'm happy to watch them. They are lucky to have many branches in this Oman.
In Oman.
In
Yeah.
Oman.
Because thousands of people they was waiting since 2-3 months we will receive, but you are the lucky winner. Congratulations.
Yeah. So that is why I think Allah that is an opportunity.
So are you going to keep this, or is it a gift for someone special?
Actually, this one honestly I will keep to myself.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Remember for my experience first time in online winner.
Okay.
So that is why I keep for myself.
So in last, do you will say something about Amtur Gold and Diamonds?
For about Amtor company,
Yeah.
they are lucky.
Mhm.
Yeah,
They are lucky or
They
you are lucky now?
I'm lucky for the win in this
Yeah.
opportunity, but they are lucky for the business. I mean, yeah, yeah.
So what they promised, they have done this,
Promise.
because promise was S25.
Yeah, yeah.
And
so
now-
I also thanks for this one because I saw the post is not a 26, it was 25.
25, yeah.
So this is very lucky. This is very lucky opportunity with this.
So thank you so much, and thank you so much Amtur Gold and Diamonds, Mr. Samir and all team. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now you can return it. This is yours.